Back to another video. Was cracking. You already know how to be Junior. Another day, another dollar, another mishap. Anyways, last week, or this weekend, my bad, we were cruising the beach and we pulled over to get some drinks and use the restroom and whatnot, and the homie noticed some of the water coming out of the car in the front, which, you know, you already know it's a radiator. This time it was a radiator. Last time it was a freezer, freeze plugs, my bad, freezer. Freeze plug, so luckily it was a radiator. So that was that. Called it a day. Had to get it towed. Thanks to my boy Malverde for hooking it up with AAA. And that dude Mario who towed it, he said, you know what, AAA ain't towing lowriders or modified vehicles anymore. So I said, well, good looking out. So shot him a bill. That was that. So this is what we got for today. Here's the radiator, the new one. The top port, the oil, the transmission oil line, the bottom port, and the reservoir. The same as the original one. Reservoir, bottom port, transmission lines. And it was leaking from that corner. I'm not sure exactly, to be exact, but under pressure, when it's hot, it started leaking, so get rid of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it yourself video. And I'm gonna remove the fan on the engine, the clutch and everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and put electric fans. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do that. We'll see what's up. While I'm at it, charging my batteries, getting it ready for the weekend. For what? For who knows what. I don't know, but we gotta stay ready, you know? So that's what I got going on. This is gonna be another video. We'll talk about it. A little something that I came up with. All right, so the radiator, I removed it 2 days ago because I thought I was gonna have one in stock. Because somebody said, yeah, we got one in stock right here, come pick it up. And I went, and they got the whole thing wrong, which is my brother. It's all good, he's funny. So I'm gonna show you real quick how I took this apart. So these go right there. If you own a Cadillac, you should know. These two bolts right here, pretty much right here, see? Two bolts come off on this little traction bar or stabilizer, whatever they want to be called. These come off with these two blue ones. Then this one is bolted down with a bolt right there, a bolt right there. See? This comes off. The radiator sits right here. Pull it out, done. Easy. Here's the transmission lines, 2 of them. The hose down there. Take that off. Reservoir right there. This top hose right here. And that's it. Any questions, let me know. Super easy. So today's plan is to remove this. I don't want to use this anymore. I'm gonna delete this and put this. Oh, hold on. There you go. Put this on. All right, check it out. Here you go. I'm gonna put these babies on. Look at it, fucking thick. I don't like the slim fans because I just feel like these do more power. Personal preference. Anyways, it comes with the whole mounting brackets, mounting kits, and everything. So this is 28. These are 12 inches, 28 inches. So my plan is to double it up. 12 and 12, you should know, it's 24. Like that. Double the fan. be perfect. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's get to the other fan and let you guys know how it top goes. Piece off. You look right here. It's only 4 bolts. Take those off and you're good to go. All right, right now. So 13, you see it? 13, right there. Forgot my freaking phone mount. Try to hold it. Look it, done. Loose. You see? There you go. All the bolts off. This is how it comes off. So if you ever want to replace the clutch, the fan clutch, that's how you do it. 4 bolts, 13. Back here are another 4 bolts. And it'll come off. Then you take the fan off, put the new clutch, put the fan back on, and put it back on right there. So this is loose, so you gotta put them back on. Put them back on. Don't leave them hanging. Maybe I should put some Loctite, but for now, it should be cool. Once I get this all resolved, it should be easy. Yep. There you go. We'll come back to the next clip. This is for the AC. Here, let me turn it around. This is for the AC, which, to be honest, I don't need. But, I mean, I should remove it. Can you look at, see? No AC going to it. I should remove it, actually. I'm blocking all my air. I think right here, look at this bolt. This bolt. I think it'll come off. It's hot out here. So, look, the AC is right here. I don't have it connected. So I'm gonna take this off, have better airflow to the radiator. There's this right here, which is a 10. Take this off. That one's already off. And, oh no, right there. Right there. And the shit will come off. Damn, in this hot ass weather, I wish I had AC in this bitch. But no AC. Might as well take this off. We don't need it. We don't need it. Pa fuera. Next step. Took out the AC right there. All the stuff right there. Took all that stuff off. So now I'm trying to see how I want this to go. I want it to go like this. Running at the bottom, you know, kind of like hidden. So I'm gonna put these two together to one single wire. Like that. We're not running 2 power wires or 2 grounds, whatever. Just 2 to 1 going to a switch or to a battery, whatever, you know. So I'm trying to see if I want it flush. Do I want it just going straight across like this? Probably not though. Probably want to keep it nice and tucked at the bottom like that, you know. This is what I did. I ran blue with blue. Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. Blue with blue. You see it? Together. And the black with black together. Like that. I just run single cable from this end. And we should be good to the switch. Or the right way is the relay. It's super simple. It's the power to the relay and then a switch to the relay. So when you turn on the switch, the relay clicks open and then it sends power to the fans on the other side. But today we're just gonna do it directly. But I will update you guys once I get all that stuff done. Show you guys how to do with the relay. Finished product. put those on. Put those on. That's how it's done. Okay. They're gonna want your autograph. So anyways, it is in. It says pretty flush. I'm surprised. So next thing is this little shroud. Make sure you got the grommets. The other one came off, but I got it right here, baby boy. I got it right here. I'm gonna try doing this with one hand because I forgot my freaking mount. Anyways, goes like this. Goes like that. See that? And then move this cable out the way. So a little 10mm bolt goes right there. Another one goes right there. She should be snug, baby. And at the bottom it has grommets too. And my fans. Look at that space. Put a body in that motherfucker. We'll come back. We'll come back right now. All right. So next step, I got this whole loom right here because I want to check the rotation of the fans to make sure it's sucking air and not blowing air. Because if it's blowing air and the air coming in and this is pushing out, it's gonna build all the hot air in the middle. It's gonna fucking overheat. How do I know? Because I've done it before and I've gone through it before. So I got this one. This is the black one. This for the black wire. This one, you'll see it. That one, and then come on, focus. And then the red wire, oh, I mean the blue one, is right here. Let's check. And it's hitting. Why would it hit? Oh my god, bro. Let's check it. So it's blowing in, it's sucking. So I gotta swap these around. I gotta put the blue one on the negative and the black one on the positive. Let's see right now. You look now, I got the loom hooked up just right there, just on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one directly. Let's see. It was making noise, I don't know why. It was not. It was good. I'm trying to see what's coming through real quick. Like spacer or something. It works now. All right, so after being sunburnt, because it's freaking sun, don't play. So I got all the transmission lines on. I got that line on the bottom. Got the wiring. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna route it so it can be clean. I don't want all this stuff showing, but for now, so I can drive it at least until I get the relay. Do that. Not sure where the sensor for the coolant or for the water temp sensor goes. I think it might be there. That's broken. I don't know. Not sure where. I gotta look it up. I'm gonna run a sensor from there to the relay so I could trigger it on our certain temp and turn the fans on instead of having the fans on all the time. I am running the cable through here. Back under this. Through my firewall. It's a mess because I forgot my toolbox at my girl's house, so I had to buy all new. You already know that snappity snap Harbor Freight. It wasn't even snap on. So anyways, I got the cable through here. This right here. Oh, there you go, right here. So I have the power to the battery, and I'm gonna use ground to trigger it on. So if I touch ground somewhere, hopefully I can find the ground. We'll see. I'm gonna use this to ground it. We should be good to go. All right. Here's the final outcome. So here's my ground. Bit of work is grabbing on. Here's the cable that goes to the fan. Here's my switch. So the main power source, if it was a power, it would be from the battery. But this is coming from the ground. Like I said, I'm not using power, I'm using ground. And you click it. And you can hear it. It. You guys see it? You guys can hear it? And then it's quiet. So eventually, I forgot to bring my drill gun. I'll make a hole right here. I'm gonna put it next to it. And yeah, we should be good. So that's that for now. I'm gonna leave it down here. By tomorrow, I'll have it drilled in and ready to go. But yep, that's that. All right. So we're back. We're back at it. Hold on. We're back at it. It's been 2 days. Ain't gonna lie. Had to go get my drill gun, drill bits, but it's here. You can hear it. So what I'm gonna drill a hole right here next to it and just add this, and we're good to go, baby. You guys see it in a bit. All right, guys, here we go. It's all dirty. I'll clean it. Anyways, done product. These are my halos. My lights. And like I said, I'll make another video for that. So here you go. Here you go. Here you go. That's it right there. The fans. Just the wires. For now, like I said. We'll hook it up to a sensor later on. Let's turn it on. Can I reach? Can I reach? Can I reach? For the air. Moves a little bit. Gotta find a bracket to put it right here. Screw it on right here or something, so it won't move. Same thing right here. Bracket or something. Yeah, that's it. with that being said, that's gonna be it for the video. A little do-it-yourself. You want to upgrade to a, you know, aluminum radiator and electric fans, or keep the stock fan. Even that should work, to be honest. And then that should blows cold ass air, or blows air, not cold but blows air. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If it's too long, let me know. You guys want more tips, more description on certain things, or more info, or should I get into more details? Let me know. In the next video I'll make it work, you know. Anyways, with that being said, you already know what it be. Had to be Junior. Come on, come on, baby.